All-in-one Printer. Looking to create amazing waterslide decals at home or the office? Meet your new best friend, the NEEGO Canon All-in-one Printer. With its impressive capabilities and user-friendly features, this printer is a must-have for anyone who loves to create. One of the best features of this printer is its incredibly high resolution. With up to 4800 by 1200 dpi color resolution, your decals will come out looking sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. Whether you're creating designs for personal or professional use, the NEEGO Canon All-in-one Printer has got you covered. But that's not all. This printer also offers a range of connectivity options to make your life easier. You can easily print from your computer or mobile devices using a high-speed USB connection or Wi-Fi connection. And if you're always on the go, you can even use the Print app, AirPrint, or Mopria Print Service to print from your smartphone or tablet. Plus, with convenient print, copy, and scan capabilities, you can create full-color, photo-quality prints that will really make your design stand out. The Borderless printing option even lets you create larger pictures by combining multiple prints, giving you even more creative freedom. So if you want to buy this printer, then check out the link given in the description box below. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best printers for waterslide decals. If you like any of these best printers, check out the link in the description box to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.